Watch the totals. I asked Claude for a budget tracker, downloaded the file it made, opened it in Excel, changed one number. Everything recalculated because this isn't a picture of a spreadsheet. It's a real spreadsheet with working formulas built by a chat message. Text answers are the smallest thing this tool hands back. Today, the other three and the one setting they all depend on, the sharing button that comes with a warning. Level 0 of Claude for everyone playlist below, all of it free. By the end, you'll know the 4 ways Claude delivers work. You'll have iterated a real artifact without fear of breaking it. You'll know exactly what the publish button does before you ever press it. One word up front. Ask for something substantial, a document, a web page, a working mini app. Claude puts it in its own window beside the chat, where it can be edited, versioned, downloaded, and shared instead of scrolling away into history. That separate window creation is called an artifact. The rest of today's words arrive when you can see them. The map for today. Ask a quick question, you get an inline answer, text in the chat. Ask to see something, a chart, a diagram, you may get an inline visual, interactive, right in the response, and worth saving because those are ephemeral. Ask for something you'll keep, reuse, or share. It becomes an artifact in its own window. Ask for something that needs to open in Office or print. Claude creates a real file, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, PDF delivered as a download. 4 surfaces, 1 rule, match the ask to what you'll do with the result. Let's make one. I'm taking the follow-up document we built 2 videos ago and asking for a polished, shareable version in an artifact. There it is, its own window, beside the conversation. The chat stays on the left for steering, the work lives on the right. Down here, copy it, download it. 2 ways to change it. Tell the chat what you want different and the artifact updates in place. Or point at the exact spot, highlight any passage and edit just that, without touching the rest. This is where iterate, don't settle from earlier becomes physical. Now the feature that removes the fear of experimenting. Every revision Claude makes creates a new version. This selector flips between all of them. Ask for something ambitious, hate the result, flip back. Nothing is ever lost. So the working rule, when a version is good, note it. Then ask for the bold change you were hesitating about. The undo button makes courage free. Third surface, real files. Same document as Word, a download card. It opens in Office like any file a human made. The showstopper from the cold open, a spreadsheet with living formulas. This is the one to remember at work. Because Claude made me a real xlsx is the sentence that gets your colleagues to watch this course. It converts between formats too. Hand it a Word document and ask for slides. Last surface, power sharing. Publish turns an artifact into a live web link. I'll press it, copy the link, and now watch. I'm opening it in a private window where I'm not signed into anything. It loads. That's the point and that's the warning. Safety beat 2 minutes, and it's the first of several in this course. Published means public. Anyone with the link, no Claude account needed, and links travel. So the rule is absolute. Nothing with client names, financials, health information, or anything you wouldn't pin to a public notice board. Our demo is safe because the practice files are a fictional company. That's deliberate. 2 more facts before you press that button on anything real. Publishing is also how an artifact gets pinned to your sidebar library, so you'll be tempted to publish just for tidiness. Not with sensitive content. Unpublishing is permanent for that artifact. Once you take a link down, that artifact can never be republished. Duplicate it into a new artifact if you need a new link. Publish deliberately, not casually. VO. One switch underneath all of this. In settings, as of July 2026, it looks like this. Capabilities toggle for code execution and file creation. It's on by default. If artifacts or file downloads ever refuse to appear, check here first. The pinned comment has the current picture. Quick prediction. I close this conversation right now. Is the artifact gone? Pause. Answer no. It lives inside that chat and reopening the chat brings it back. But it does not appear in the sidebar's artifact library on its own. Getting it there is what publishing does, and publishing changes its audience completely. Hold that thought. What people actually make here? A freelancer. The messy brief from earlier becomes a polished proposal as a Word file, same hour. A teacher, a marked CSV becomes a summary sheet with working averages. Anyone, a simple one-page site as an artifact published to a real link, which is exactly how level 5 of this course ends. Same 4 surfaces, your nouns. Your turn. Take your document from the earlier exercise and ask for it as an artifact. Push 2 revisions through, then flip the version selector back and forth once just to feel the safety net. Then download it as a Word file. Publishing is optional homework and only with zero sensitive content. The practice files exist for exactly that. You will know it worked when you have a versioned artifact and a real file that opens outside Claude. 4 surfaces, inline answers, inline visuals worth saving, artifacts with versions and fearless iteration, and real files with working formulas. Publishing makes a public link. Public means public and unpublish is forever. So publish deliberately, one toggle in settings underneath it all. You now have outputs worth keeping, which raises a question. Where do they live so Claude remembers them? Next video. Q. What happens the moment you publish an artifact? A. It becomes a live public link anyone can open, no Claude account needed. Public means public, and unpublishing that artifact later is permanent. Next, the build this level has been heading toward a workspace where your files, your rules, and your context live permanently. Your second brain starts now.